The TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra is a new device, and some of the information is based on initial announcements and hands-on previews. Here are the pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. For pros. Exceptional eye comfort. The NxtPaper 4.0 display is highly effective at reducing eye strain, making it an excellent device for extended reading, note-taking, or document editing. Unique display technology. The matte finish, anti-glare properties, and paper-like feel are unique selling points that set it apart from other smartphones. Stylus functionality. With T Pen Magic support and a large screen, the NxtPaper 60 Ultra serves as a great alternative to the discontinued Galaxy Note series. Strong camera system. On paper, the inclusion of a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom is a high-end feature not typically found in this price range. Large screen and battery. The 7.2-inch display is massive for media consumption and productivity, and the 5200 mAh battery should provide excellent endurance. IP68 rating, a welcome feature that adds a layer of durability against dust and water. For cons. Outdoor visibility. While great indoors, the matte finish and anti-glare properties can make the screen challenging to see in direct sunlight. No microSD card slot. The lack of expandable storage is a drawback for users who need more space beyond the internal options. Proprietary stylus. The T Pen Magic is sold separately and there is no built-in slot to store it, which is less convenient than the design of a phone like the Galaxy S Ultra. Software updates. TCL has a history of providing a limited number of major OS upgrades, which may be a concern for long-term users. Performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 7400 is a capable chipset, but it may not match the raw performance of flagship phones with higher-end processors for graphics-intensive tasks. For special features. The TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra's standout feature is its NxtPaper 4.0 display technology. This is not an e-ink screen, but an IPS LCD with a matte finish and a host of software and hardware optimizations designed for eye comfort. Paper-like feel. The display has a matte, anti-glare, and anti-reflection surface, which provides a comfortable reading experience similar to that of paper. Eye care technologies. It incorporates 7 core eye care technologies, including natural light display, uses circular polarized light, CPL, technology to mimic natural light, reducing eye strain. Zero flicker. The display is designed to be completely flicker-free. Blue light purification, reduces harmful blue light at the hardware level without affecting colors. Circadian screen comfort, automatically adjusts brightness and color temperature to align with your natural rhythm. Max Ink mode, a dedicated physical button, NxtPaper key. Allows users to instantly switch to a grayscale, Max Ink mode, for a distraction-free, e-reader-like experience. This mode also significantly extends battery life. T Pen Magic Stylus support. The phone supports a low-latency, pressure-sensitive stylus, offering a natural and intuitive writing and sketching experience, especially with the paper-like texture of the screen. Overall conclusion. The TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra is a refreshingly unique smartphone that prioritizes user comfort and productivity over raw performance. Its standout NxtPaper 4.0 display, with its eye-friendly, paper-like feel, is a genuine innovation that addresses a common problem with modern screens. The inclusion of a periscope telephoto camera and stylus support further elevates its value, making it a compelling option for those who want a blend of a high-end camera phone, an e-reader, and a productivity tool in one device. While it has some drawbacks like potential outdoor visibility issues and limited software support, the NxtPaper 60 Ultra carves out a niche for itself. It is not just another slab of glass and metal, it's a well-thought-out device for a specific audience. For users who spend a lot of time reading, writing, or consuming content on their phone and are concerned about eye strain, this phone is a fantastic choice and an affordable alternative to premium devices with similar features.